Oh. Hey, yo, what's up guys? Joe Starscream here, and for today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing from a package na pinadala ni Kids Company. So, this is actually something na related dun sa an upcoming movie. Let's go ahead and open it! Where do I start here? Oh. What? Damn! Masters of the Universe Battle Cat. Yun pala. If you guys can see this up close, ang ganda ng details. Articulated pa. From here, I can actually see that there is a knee articulation. Tapos meron din sa may paa. I just hope na natatanggal din tong helmet nito. Yung armor niya, sana natatanggal. Oh! Beast man! Hindi pa siya yung deluxe figure, pero mukha siyang maganda pa rin eh, oh. Oh my goodness. Akala ko isa lang, dami pala. Nice! Oh! He-Man! So, si He-Man meron siyang twisting motion. Hindi siya basic figure, pero quality ng details nung mukha, oh. Ito yung para sa upcoming Masters of the Universe movie. May pagka-spoiler alert na to. Ito na yung huli. Thank you, Kids Company. God damn! Bro, hindi ko pa nakikita yung harap, pero from the back pa lang. From the back part of the box. Ooh! I have the power! Look at the package, man! Parang ayokong buksan muna. It's He-Man! Deluxe articulation. Masters of the Universe Chronicles. Nakita ko up close. Ooh! May alt hands. Wala nga lang siyang alternate head, but sayang, walang alternate head, ano? Meron pa siya dito mga characters sa ilalim. Hindi ko na muna ipapakita para hindi tayo mag-spoiler dito. Grabe, surprise ako dito. Thank you, Kids Company. So para sa mga toy collectors like me and for other people, kids maybe, who wants to have these action figures, you can check out kidscompany.com.ph for faster and easier way to order it. Okay, check out yung website nila at kidscompany.com.ph. My childhood coming back again. Thank you also for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I have the power!